So, welcome to a very sunny morning in Kuta in Bali. So, it's just a little hotel walkthrough this morning. I'm just gonna a little walk around morning, a little walk around and check out the place. Now, it's not a room tour, it's just a quick overview of the accommodation. Morning. Morning. Have a little walk around. Have a little look around. Have a little look around the hotel.
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. So yeah, we're gonna have a quick walk around the hotel. Have a look, see what it's got to offer. Maybe thinking of staying here, or you got any friends thinking of staying here? Share the video. Or if you've been here before and you've got any comments or recommendations of bars, restaurants in the area, please leave a comment in the comment sections below. Obviously a bar and reception area. Got massages. Hi. So time of filming, we are in the second week of January. The weather has been a little bit hit and miss since I've been here. Been in Bali for a month now, been on the Gili Islands. Just returned to the mainland. Had a trip to Singapore a couple of days ago. And I'm heading back to the islands again. All the boats were cancelled, so we have to make our way back through Lombok on a flight. Yeah, the accommodations are up here. Oops. Yeah. We're at the Rani Hotel now. That's quite a small resort. The pool doesn't have really any shade from direct sunlight, so if you've got a fair skin, you just be a little bit careful. Yeah, 4 stories. Okay, that's just a very brief overview of the property. If you do like this kind of content, hotel walk rounds, walk around the resorts, local area, please do give my channel a little bit of support. It's appreciated if you could subscribe or like the video or share the video if you know anyone who would appreciate it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.